Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, March 28, 2023. Let's take a look at the Forex economic calendar for today. Retail sales data from Australia had been published overnight. The actual reading beats the expectations of the forecasts. 0.1% was the forecast, 0.2 was the actual reading. However, it's way below the previous reading of 1.9%. So, mixed bag of data from the Australia. During the London session, we got the Bank of England Governor Bailey to give us a speech. We got some kind of a COPOM meeting minutes from Brazil at 1 o'clock. And then during the New York session, we have the ECB President Lagarde to give a speech 3:15, and then the data from the US are scheduled for release at 4 o'clock. CB Consumer Confidence. The market participants expect a drop from 102.9 points to 101 points. So this is the situation on the Forex calendar. There are some of the interesting data scheduled for release. Nevertheless, what we should do, I guess, is to take a look at the Australian dollar and then, of course, at the majors. So let's start with, I guess, euro dollar. For our chart of the euro dollar is showing us the possible test of the intraday technical resistance located at 1.0817. We already broke below the short-term trend line. We bounced from the 50 periods moving average with the low located at 1.0711. So very nice rebound over 100 pips. Nevertheless, the bulls are still they still have to break back above the short-term trend line in order to challenge the swing high located at 1.0930. So far, it looks good for the bulls. The bounce is being backed by the momentum. Right now, the momentum is 59 points, almost 60. So this momentum looks like it's expanding to the upside. Looks strong, looks positive, and we should expect another movement to the upside. In a case of a failure, of course, we can reverse towards the 50 periods moving average or even below the technical support. There is still 100 periods moving average located at 1.0691, and if this level is violated, then of course we got the swing top located here, and we should expect lower levels on the euro dollar. Let's now take a look at the Australian dollar here and see what we can do. The 4-hour chart of the Australian dollar is showing us a very nice rebound to the upside. So if we take a look here, let me make it a little bit bigger. There you go. We can see that the key short-term technical resistance is 6,761. We broke below this set of the moving averages. Nevertheless, this is not like a valid signal yet, technical signal or something like this, because this is more likely the sideways market. So we don't have to bother with this situation that much. We got the technical support at 6,592, and we got another technical support at 6,567. So it looks nice for bulls. We got the tweezer bottom here around 6,636. Then we have a breakout above technical resistance, above the moving averages, of course, 50 and 100, and we are approaching this level here. This is the intraday technical resistance, 6,694, and only if we break above this level, the up move might be extended towards the highs from the March 22. So what we should expect here with this positive and nice momentum, we should expect a breakout to the upside, and this is the plan for today for Australian dollar. Is looking good, looking strong. If there is no failure here at the intraday technical resistance, the up move might extend higher. Please pay attention to the pin bars. If there are any pin bars above 6,793 pips, because in that situation, of course, the bears might push the prices lower and make the bulls to wait a little bit longer for a valid breakout. Let's now take a look at the gold market. What is gold doing? As you can see, very nice up move towards the level of 2000. Basically, the high was $2009. Pin bar at the top of the move is telling us that the supply comes to the market. So this is our technical resistance on gold. Okay, then of course we got the pullback, another attempt to rally, another attempt to break above 2009 level and rally higher, failed for now. Okay, so we got this narrow zone just above the level of the 2000. So let me just move it a little bit higher. There you go. This is the spot gold market, and now again we have this correction to the downside. It's not that deep because we didn't touch 1934 yet. The low is 1943, so $10 higher. We got the tweezer bottom and the test of the broken 50 periods moving average. As you can see, another pin bar here. So this test failed, and gold might reverse lower in the coming hours. So this is how it looks like on the gold market. Momentum is negative. Momentum is kind of a weak. So the outlook, the current outlook in the short term, of course, for the gold looks way bearish than before. It looks like the main important technical support, if we just take a look here, it's rather hard to find a good one, basically, but I think this one might be interesting for the support level, $1,009. $900. It was violated last time, but big rebound occurred after this test. So we should see some kind of a downside movement and then breakout towards the 100 periods moving average and of course the technical support level. So that's the gold market. Let's just take a look at the last one, and the last one will be US dollar to the Canadian dollar, because this market is testing the very important technical support. The technical support located here, and the lower zone is located around here. So 1.3629 is the level that we should pay attention, because any violation of this level would likely extend the move to the downside way lower towards 1.3550. Momentum is negative and weak already, and it's been like that for quite some time. Right now we got the upper shadows, upper shadow, and bearish evening doji star. Okay, so that's a very bearish sign for our chart. So there is a bearish pressure around this area on the 4-hour chart, and the market keeps being pushed lower. We are already below 50 and 100 periods moving average. More downside will come. It looks like more downside will come sooner or later on the US dollar to the Canadian dollar market. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.